Protective Film Solutions. It is time to go. We've got Project C8 and we're about to head down to San Clemente Cars and Coffee. This is the first time taking this car out, so we're really excited to get this thing on the road right now. So we got a little group together, so let's go take this thing for a rip.
Hey Jason, doesn't the Civic look like a supercar?
It does. That's what I'm actually curious why you're not taking it today. Any reason?
I can't film and drive stick at the same time.
Why, man? Multitask. That's what you get paid for.
That wing looks crazy in the mirror, dude.
You can see that, huh? It actually worked out because the camera that's on the back gets right underneath it, so it doesn't kill your view. You know what else you notice? The mirrors, the small details. You can actually see out the window, or the mirrors now, Daniel, huh?
Oh yeah, it looks 10 times better. Seriously.
You notice it, huh? Yeah. It's the small stuff. Daniel, do you notice if it's any louder yet?
Just a little bit. Okay, maybe I spoke too soon.
So small crew here today, obviously Daniel and myself, and then we have one of our newest employees, Pano, in his C63S. He just got it back. Yeah, he's excited to get that thing back. We've got Sean and crew, our boy with the green Atria GT3, and of course our friend Alfonso with the custom Mercy. Nice little small group, different cars. Sean's car's got to be my favorite. That's got to be one of your favorite specs you've seen so far, yeah?
Oh yeah, the interior on that thing is nuts.
Look at that. I mean, PTS, you don't find a lot of PTS colors. So we've done a lot of GT3s now, but a lot of them have been like a standard non-PTS edition, and this thing is stupid clean. Got this 4GT, got this GT4, I think there's a Aventador up there. So one thing you can always count on in Orange County on a Saturday is everything leading towards San Clemente. If it's a car that's like one of these, they're all going there. So it's kind of cool. It's things that you kind of take for granted, right? That on the road, all these cars are around here at all times. It's pretty wild. And I mean, San Clemente's car event has been going for, I think, way over a decade now. From from original Cars and Coffee. You remember that in Crystal Cove, and then it moved to Irvine. It got huge, and that's when people across the world really heard about it. Moved to Aliso, and then now it's over in its final home at San Clemente. So kind of cool that every single Saturday this event is on. They do not skip a beat.
Jason, that guy kind of looks like you.
Does he? Who is it? I don't know. Looks like a dork. Oh, it is me. And me.
So here we are.
This is it. I haven't been here in a while. It's been probably a good month. This car's been in the works the past 2 weeks, so I'm excited to finally bring it out and see what else is at the show. Good morning. How are you?
What do you think? Love it, dude. All the carbon accents. The wrap is amazing.
Thank you.
All right, Jason, let's see your parking skills.
Parallel parking, one shot.
We've arrived.
Yes, finally here. First time taking the car out. What are your thoughts, Daniel?
This car looks sick.
Big change from before?
Yes, sir.
When was the last time you were here?
Probably 6 months ago.
Yeah? Big change. Your girl doesn't let you get out much, eh? me? Who you ditched me for? This guy?
Yes, sir.
TikTok master? Yeah. He's got all the moves. I see you in all the outtakes. All right, well, we're gonna head out, but have fun, enjoy. This car's faster than this, you know that, right?
Yes, sir.
How much horsepower does that thing have?
I think 400. Oh. It's light though.
It is light. This guy's playing animal behind the wheel. Enjoy. See you guys. Bye, David.
Back here at PFS, Daniel and Jason took Project C8 to San Clemente. Unfortunately, I did sleep in. I couldn't wake up early enough. But we're back here, 918. Byron's been killing on the install, and they're gonna show you now.
Thank you so much for tuning in. We had a blast at the two events this past weekend. Logan's in the car because he's taken out. We are going to be going out to Lamborghini in Newport Beach. They're hosting a supercar drive again, and so this guy's taking the car out. Daniel and I will be rolling in the Fiat, so enjoy that car, Logan. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos. It's been so much fun. More stuff coming for this car, more events, maybe some launch control videos, definitely a track day in the works. And then we've got a lot of big projects coming, a couple hypercars too. So as always, thank you guys for watching. Hit subscribe and we'll see you next video. Peace.
Why are you running away?
It's bigger than me.
Hey, you got some on your back. Yeah.
Just like last time?
No, seriously. What the heck was that?
Remember Brennan?
Is that the face you make when... Never mind. You know what I was gonna say.
Huh?